Hello everyone, I am ANUSHREE, research scholar in Department of Botany, Kuvempu University, Shivamogga. My topic is Taxonomic Diversity and Distribution of Tree Species in Sringeri Range, Central Western Ghats, Karnataka. Introduction. Plants are the indicators of prosperity. Plant diversity indicates the fertility of the land. Plants reflects the rich tradition, culture and history of the land. The destruction of the forest has resulted in a pronounced imbalance in the effectiveness of precipitation, maintenance of water table, and percentage of humidity and transpiration. Trees are the most important constituent of the forest. It plays a major role in elucidating the patterns of the distribution of biodiversity. These distributions are governed by biotic and abiotic factors. According to the foresters and ecologists, a tree is defined as a woody plant that reaches a diameter of more or equal to 30 centimeters girth at breast height, that is 130 centimeters above the ground level. Trees provide basic requirements of the human beings in the form of air, food, timber, plywood, paper, fuel, medicine, and also give aesthetic value. The tree population is disappearing at alarming rate due to deforestation, urbanization and other various human needs. Hence, the present study is undertaken to get the current status of the diversity of trees in forest areas of Sringeri range with the information of exact distribution and frequency along with the statistical analysis. Let's go through the methodology. Study area. Sringeri range belongs to Chikmagaluru district, a Malnad region of Karnataka state with a geographical area of 7,201 square kilometers, which is situated in mid-southwestern part of the state. Sringeri has well-defined physiographic regions. It has surrounded by many hills. The elevation ranges about 600 to 900 meters. Laterite and red loamy soils are found in Sringeri. The average rainfall is around 3000 millimeters. The maximum temperature reaches up to 36 degrees Celsius during summer and minimum around 12 degrees Celsius during winter. Considering the topography, bioclimate and soil, the vegetation of the region is broadly categorized under evergreen, moist deciduous, dry deciduous and shoreline grasslands. Fieldwork. A frequent field visits were undertaken in different vegetation in the forest range to document the diversity of trees. A belt transect of size 5 meter in 200 meter was laid in each selected vegetation in all blocks of Sringeri forest range. Number of the transects is based on the area of forest cover and about 50 transects were laid to minimize the statistical error. In each transect, all the tree species were documented. Trees having more than or equal to 30 cm GBH were considered as adult trees and their GBH is measured to calculate basal area and relative dominance. Results. This is the graph representing abundance of trees. Hopiaponga of Dipterocarpaceae family is the highest abundantly found tree species in the range, followed by Mesoopharia, Hopia parviflora, Aparosa cardiosperma and Lophopetalum whiteanum. This is the graph representing density of the tree species. Aparosa cardiosperma is most densely found tree species in the region, which is followed by Syzygium cumini, Democarpus longan, Hopiaponga and Lophopetalum whiteanum. This is the graph representing frequency of tree species. Aparosa cardiosperma is most frequently found tree species in the region, which is followed by Syzygium cumini, Democarpus longan, Olea dioica and Mimosops elingi. Importance Value Index of the tree species. Syzygium cimini of Myrtaceae was showing highest importance value index, which is followed by Aprosacardiosperma, Lophopetalum vitianum, Democarpus longan, and Mimsops elenchi. Conclusion. The study yielded a total 97 species of trees belonging to 73 genera and 42 families. Sringeri range shows a good level of distribution of tree diversity. This is supported by the Shannon's diversity indices, that is 3.71, and Simpson's diversity indices, that is 0.97. This range falls under Western Ghats region, which is one of the hotspot of biodiversity. This luxuriant diversity is to be conserved and more concern should be given on protecting the forest areas from human encroachment. These are my references. Thank you.